I know that from time, man. Now I know they're not expecting my mama. Okay, my mama go office so not go school.
Yes.
Now market so you know now you go sell. You understand that for me to send that money, me take carry the market home.
Okay, that's good. That's good. It's a great thing.
Understand? Oh, yeah, even said, then one ever said, oh, in the next way later, but I got to send them money because they say coronavirus don't reach Nigeria. I need to send them money, they buy food stuff for us, they don't come up for house. Now they said my last cup of go give them today.
You know, so a problem, you know. Me ache mommy. Me ache and me no way. Ye me recharge ye wo. Elise ye. Because he got on your web. Imoto. We be I gba one way o. We je we wa pass ne. So e man be chat. Yan we boy a boy ni yan we anti me boss ni viola dem. That o see your papa friend the boy pa. A boy wo pa no say that go Dimotro only ka go Dimotro ni. So we have here la den we if you we boy to okay.
Live video.
I will check live video. I will check. We are talk about live video. Okay. Okay.
Hello, Daddy.
AJ.
Come, Daddy.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Daddy, that will concern a matter now. Understand? Daddy, a friend and I know who one eh. Even no game yet, even no game yet, ye po. Me ya ni gita wa sona ya to ya ben ya to yo baba eh. Ni yeme no ya gbore. No game, yeme no game ya vempo. O me again eh, e bu boye egbe. Again, you know, yeah, so seriously family or as in, I never see any Europe gay we go fit come as a we go fit come back na so e be again because me myself will be saying at you but I even dey call with am sense Lizzie, you don't even feel they take care of yourself. So you go say no, now my family first. Either is 7 or be there is 6 a year beer. If you ever know, if you ever more terrible, if you ever more between the theory, one more terrible, not do you for there. Or you get beer, all our word on it. Again, you will not lose over again because recently the future in Mary City. You don't see me, understand? Maybe again, every day my Yako Yelida, VJ, Mary, oh, no, you go to even say, I won't give Mama, you say stand me. I understand. Say you know you don't get anything when you say they survive, and you don't already lose us. Take money, take bad food stuff. The woman they tell me say, oh boy, where say. I don't see how Lizzie who say they stress like or say me I want to stylist to wear now. Wow, let do mutamada for when do job when do you understand? What I just see for all this matter that day, not just jealousy because this girl don't fair dating as boyfriend for couple 3 good years. They're not hear a name. They're not hear a name because even before today, they get already they get threatened for phone say, you go collect first the boyfriend. Fine, for this shoe, but where no boy will fit come meet you so your face tell you staying single. You understand that, Z? Now, either you deal with person, if you don't even date the relationship before you go even know, say, you don't even single. This boy, when this girl, they date, they never even reach how many months when they know now. He never done the cast like this. You understand that, Z? The boy, now, okay, a boy, no car dating. Let the boy, no moto. Oh, no, dating now, no moto. Even if you know this girl,
Goddy, I don't want to block you. You don't get respect for your father. Ajebo say they insult you. You say you. You say Ajebo they insult Ajebo they insult himself. If you get better character. So if you want me, I not block you here. Stop that useless nonsense.
No, not you.
You hear? They say God they heart. But you don't know how to talk. Now you Ajebo they insult. You are not return out to your family. Who be Ajebo? You say Ajebo they insult himself as a good citizen of abroad.
forgotten.
Continue.
So the team bizarre, papa.
Il a take position.
Il
a take position. Ajepako, Ajezuo, Ajezaga. Il a take position, mais nous béo bon. Rubbish, on doit aller Facebook ou tout bouder. Why oye chencho lugbe zegbe be magic o ma gbe na le wan why like Jemmy no ma wina ya ta we na dimofia wina e wina na dimofia wina be na
ogun we ma ti wina ugwa
kan we ari fada shafi yobo ari fada o taro de fada shafi yobo o ku bobo ogun de le mu o mo to na be mu na o be fi
ajebogbe wa
bege
ajebogbe wa
e jamani Wọ́n jamani àná ẹ̀ olè ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kò dán àmẹ́kẹsà gẹ̀yàwó rẹ̀ wọ́n náà yẹ́ wọ́n máa mẹ́dọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀kan wọ́n àrí ọjá yọ yẹ fíjọ́rù yà gbọ́n ní wúwẹ̀ ló fi ẹ̀kọ́ rí mẹ́nẹ̀ wọ́n yà rí nù ẹni ìyàrá ọkọ̀ ìlú station àgbọ̀n tó fi wẹ̀ Where la jọ do ade guest of one way de ge gbina ye ni agbon gbina yi
wasi
we wa gogo we boys wa gbe ni ko yo le na ye wa gbe yan mo ko ni yan force yan man ko ye we different things you are happy over u to taru wo enegbo no mere enugbina yi bana emi agbon gbina yi bana de nugbina yi ti we ya solo ve France wa la jọ do ane na Facebook Awena pa wawo kere oni dota we yi e ma tagele no ma be na wawo kere to gele wawo kere e ma na oni we gbi na ye bopa ugwala ja 50 euro say no to 50 euro me kono ye 50 euro te godi e godi ni me wawo ku we lewe bo wawo ku we ti the half lenu ba we ne you ma traffic se e ke me na mu ja kigo ya te god wawo ku we ti mu ti aba no fi moto ho le ku emu ne ti de tai moto Iwa we agbere pa we bo wa agbere biebi uwe pa we budget na uwe la Jemmy iwuna magbo ya wina una wa ti ebu siri risi wina bo ya we me Facebook na ono wina wa me Facebook
mo bi e mo LBJ
amanu we gugu a iye o se ri me passport e na me wina me ya like Deutschland but in me Nigeria wo ke wina we
je bo ma
we me wina
Iwe ni wala jani we go.
Elu ya re ni majority yan ma win na de.
Awa.
Opan wa pe, o pe yan.
Me a get over.
Me no wo ku gweri, u we ya ge gbi abia.
Me a get over.
O ti menu we so ni e ban, a go ti o tele e ya wo kan we fo. O kan we wa you we gwali yan, wa ne kokobri master. Get fe brat o temi ya. I fe brat yan wo kan Spain. Na ma poni sana. Ga je bota. Na we ya je pako. Ajegwo na we bona lo ya la webo ne ku emu o we wa mi yen Spain una wa na yen sira e ba ke una we o ti ni we bona ma gi to po me we na wa ye ru yu re ne me mi era ye bo are you stupid ija je bo are you mad you not de me mu ya ye we bo ni ya la webo no we na we bona lo ya la webo no to ya la lu hoku I finish it when you have a weapon. When we don't suppose don't you cook bagba. Why soldier say not to 50 euro? A 50 euro or we ain't gualo ni mamia. 50 euro ya de for a jeep in a mumia. No feet, or quite the bossas, or the t-shirt, or the singlet, or the knockback. A quemuwa. No, a quemuwe. Mo pe mama fi di wo we ni ya ti o kan mo si e kedo ade ni na ma te on live Facebook since last year e story we yare for long oh to go kon ti that's o ku go ti o kan we ne kere gi gun I me ga viene mo be ye kedo ade we no la o yen mu le platform igwe o wa settle e wo wa uwo mo ku gbe fi fi o me ti mi ayin na we ni gege pa mo topic ni la dian but the name no yo bo wona do e ku Facebook una do to bo we tu e kwa emi ni me gbegbe kedo ade ne ge la dian but o mo ku gbe gwan enu ya ku ro gbije wa yo wa iji na ro wa for 7 days on our we are ama e gi yen gun ne ige ba ko ma ri e gije
akwa
no le o mo ku gbe mu ije no bi e ije no nye ko be for 9 months no mu jo ko gwe azen wo si eyin mana gbogbo mana bie wala wa piro wala wa gboko ri wa yo wa me message ni ya gwe du ona be pe e tu be vioga la jaba we o gyon ba no ya won me gwa we ri ari ne gwa be ya won na pepe
we wa gen la gwa
we wo yi tali ya ri gboloko na eke we ri ari ne ni tali ya ri gboloko na eke tu bi ayeke ọgbọ́n lè fi tí iṣẹ́ ní ṣe ọpọ́pọ̀ ní ṣe iṣẹ́ náà máa jámẹ̀ gbọ́ sọ̀wé ẹkù ẹmúgbẹ́ wẹ́lẹ̀ tó wá gún ọ̀ dìmọ́fí rẹ̀ ìwà bàbí ara yàfíàrí àbí wọ́n mákì ẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwà wẹ́gẹ́ sùpò rẹ̀ dìmọ́fí sẹ́ wẹ́n fẹ́ 5 wife wẹ́rẹ́ 37 years wẹ́rẹ́ 2 wife at the age of 40 or 44 or 45 years.
1982 abioye.
Are biere 1982 a guy honey. A guy of your honor. But na wa biere 1982 maybe it should be 38 years. When we turn 38 years. Okweva. Oike wa say 45 years o wa mo kwe ya. Oike say 50 years o mo kwe ne. Of your ha 20. Of your ha 20. Ya mo no bi ate ya yo no respect. Avocani ti gbari ma mo e ti bono avocani ni ina wona mo me ajebore do ya te ma jeboro to boya ke platform no ya te ina de guest of okori no respect that innocent woman wa sweat a live video eni won ya me population aku e pe video le ra ya di so ni me yari e vivian e dede yari e position me won mi tana e video no wa ya di so ni me ni soke yari e vivian no ku weri e position me mo ijanu e Nekuemu. Now we win at the Deutschland. But no man win at the Espion, I don't win at the Deutschland. Who are Lajon? Who's one tier, but no man can go one. What feel it? What you direct go? Oh, you're bad where we are here go. And I tell you, where
you party no really at all. Well,
I protest it bon. Una parier, we are protesting, let's give me. Oh, go your bad boy, we are protesting. Na kogyo bala gwa
da you no see we no see na he na mo award me na we di o award na abu me na manari eni we wa wu gai ugwa ya meti da award yeti akaba award ya de o na ka bi me na ibo no we bi na you matter e award ni okekene you matter pikin mo stop central mo stop
one flat aya orphanage where John Osage one flat aya orphanage ne ko re mu
one na ma contribute
wa agbere dian
ọwọ́ àwọn orí wa kí orphanage ṣàgé
ní orphanage of characters only area of characters as okay only at 6 years ago Elia donate €80 Elia donate the do reality of how €80 the do reality ara we na nigo ki meke ya nigo ni obo kan ya re ni so we ne no ti obo ku gwe na no be mo pe ala be ne €80 wa zag have na go gwe Oriapo, Montes, but short man.
That's my beautiful wife. Gwa. Where Guania? Hello. Network is disturbed. Ajebo. Mabe magwe gwani akwo igwegwa ni meuma viewer ni wete gwala ni gwe why was it YouTube wala YouTube gwe miete we ala YouTube miete ogo mamye o do to ru ye ni edi mo pi ala we ye o ma say we egbedo la Facebook we ala YouTube gwe miete Okpeno mata okpeno no ma why on the Rizabi why? Hello. Eje.
Domula why ti mo phone na speakeri.
Ya tin oze. Mo go anye. Oh, we can. Idio time one well we can yin. Idio time one. Mami we tete la dia mi agbon na. Eye. Gun a we tete la dia.
E po we do mo speaker na problem ne do tije. Because no bomb ma be lisiri no. Amata tama we.
No ba ma we.
No bomb ma be lisiri no e no bije. You can't believe me. But they are barely so salo bo ahemi. E ponore bima asososiri. No bomb ma be lisiri no e no bije. I'm telling you the truth. E no bije. Elize ye family ya eze ya roba obije no ko ni mana ko ni na ogwa no je ya no bia na ya ba no ni ya siko ko we Paris ko ro ni ya sike be Paris na no e de Elizita wata musician no tie bia na o ya sike go we Paris o tie ni no waru mu ya mu ero we Elizita ba waru mu ege ni ya mu kinye kombe ha. This is your two, as a yarrow by. Ya bow Elisio Salo Boire, maybe money again in Jana Baugi. We know we are one when we know we have our friend. No, Demotive Vana with the iPhone with Vana, honor with our friend or see over at Eli, a bonny auntie with Eli, a boyfriend Eli, give me friend to buy now.
Religion, No, our friendly video. Oh, why go? But
Paris, only on my bone. Unless you are in Paris.
Oh, where the anyone?
Paris.
Oh, where the anyone? We are the winner.
Connecting ya, connecting ya with phone. A phone connect or connecting ya with phone. Go a Paris. You have sent a picture that phone in a picture of your Facebook. Only go over Paris.
Only a new boy, that the Kunabi?
No, if you no Biena. Paris, or who Paris. If you we are not lose mammy go pay one one. Elizima say yo only as a year of my good and we know ya. Or what be a giane or what you go or you get not to tell her or the half for no mass.
There I go, my shawty.
What can't see Shamata top and no vision is being not telling you train no vision no bomb I will be sitting or sending one about time or sending no do two go for you. Don't listen a EGV or don't say you share. But I'm listening no do say, but we are the little simas on my children no way.
You were saying your wedgie. West is about the bower in your way was on. When I time my guard to me ya. Why I listen there. Listen, they when I send a video with my send there. But why so alone?
Hello,
Yeah.
That's it. When we are going to when we come out to us, not my when you got no bano, no try, no shake, you say. You have to see a vino boom away. You said the number where. You know, what checks up on which I can't not summer. How what summer? He might get there or he has a sour way or my way. But at least, according to him, no labs and women, I are judging, you understand. So imagine a room no buy my me and have your good. Once I will look up investigate. And on that day.
Where's he? Mi ahawe mi amuje ilai muye ilai. Ya hawe muye ilai. Iwe je wo waje worry when detective or wanana. Or say na chief in human trafficking. Or say hena chief central because meteo central wune. Ave di header, ave di niwa ave central eyana lawa. Ibie kan ware na yana wa mu central wa mu nyahu. Ya te gbe wari yawa me hia ko ni one wow kalotia central on your ajebo central one or wa kin egbe ni me wa we nania ajebo awa wu ajebo awa dojo egbe ma yo ka ajebo the no say egbe ma na ka ajebo fi we ekini so sini na me migo e ma na wa bi ai o ka we dia we be human trafficking e ya la wadia oh no wa we la dia mi ya we ma na ina yete wo we human trafficking ye betene or we be la diary man now it still come out again. That is the reason now. Hello. That is the reason Ajebo is just crying. Ajebo really he don't have a job. If he has a job, he don't need to stand up and say okay. Hello. Good evening. May you talk like a man, Don't be me with there, don't take it. Talk like a man, please.
If I talk like a man, just that I know they hear the Benin when they speak too much.
Okay, speak. Talk anything. May you load my this thing and may you load the other side. May they hear you where I beg.
Okay. Yeah. If I beg, if you get a time, I
ask her now.
They say central. I never know until they call central and all those girls. I never know until they talk.
Okay, thank you, my brother.
As in, waiting they try talk like waiting the show is about.
Okay, the meaning of central is, there are some guys, they don't work.
Yeah.
They don't work.
Yeah.
So they depends on money from the women. They only attract them with everything, and they will go and do juju to make sure those women will be dropping. Not only one woman, they will have almost 4 to 5 women. They will position them every corner of this prostitution. So they get money from them. That is the money that we use to build house, and they will be They will have one meeting that they will be donating money like a susu, something like that, contribution, and not the advanced juju. In the advanced central, they are working class central. They are working, but they are killing women. Those one. There are women who say, my husband, they work. But my husband, they work. If time come, he go home, picking for house. Then he go drop the wife for prostitution house. That is the advanced central. That's the meaning of central, my brother. Then they destroy women. And it's not a good thing. You, they work.
So I they work.
What about your woman?
My woman, she herself they work. Legit work, not be the one me they give boy money.
Give her. Legit work. Give her them me we here. When we work a drop. When we work, no be that one. Give your wife me here. Give your wife.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Which native? Now Bini?
Yes, Bini.
Where do we here? The only one where you muna the not Isanwa. Yoruba, thank you. Yoruba was serious with Boko. Dimulan well. The public don't know in public, they know him over that year.
Okay, now where Baba
Tabe Bonia. Okay. Public don't.
Okay,
Okay, that is the fabrica, okay, of your man. Because it's a fabrica where don't pano. Because we try one way, my no he. If I become now for Unukbo Arewana.
I was 7 years.
Oh, to Benevania when I don't made the mistake. Yeah,
Your mother said I don't any other.
Okay. You know Bini, but Abi Yoruba?
No, that's not Yoruba.
Where you from, Grow?
Don't know.
We might understand the radio.
That's the radio.
Your partner be Bini?
Not Bini.
Your man on waiting.
Nasi Bini, but my husband over one radio. Ever my husband.
Yeah, Nira. Pious. Nira Pious, you are no near no. Sister, man. I'm going to know you backward. I go a central. Because, why go? No, do me where you go, you look one like more, you are Muyako. I don't know, you'll be your barrier or who are what. And one time I went no, the normally why every day where I generally where this man is a God gift. Now, so video.
But not be by if you marry Yoruba now, but not be all of them now.
Not be all of them. Some day we still good. Some day we God give her destiny say he will repair you. But some, like one of my sister wait there here, not be my sister. I come meet her. She come meet me for yet. She not Taylor. He married Yoruba. He's paying for this man finish the build house. Today the Yoruba just use her take knocking yans. He stand up say hello, Egbo, I dey go. Now say he pack commode. He go Italy go marry Yoruba again. Mama Ezekiel, now that thing happen to. Mama Ezekiel, upon those children where my Mama Ezekiel born for her. He just come out say he want to marry Yoruba. Some of them, Yoruba, you did there, they yell, no leave this my sister out. If you do it, you be central. You hear? Now so, no leave them, they laugh there. Now you know. Not laugh again. You just say, okay, sir. If you bring you contact, I go insult you. I not go stop. I say, this Yoruba, tell her that they
Okay, sir.
God will bless you.
I know, yeah, but I want to talk something.
Talk now. Anything, you are free to talk. Anything.
Okay. All those girls, I mean, they complain about all these boys, If nobody they carry themselves down, like, if nobody they carry themselves down, like, they open their plates, where they call the league, Central for no they happen.
Me I tell you. For that one, wait. You get woman now. Maybe you they see television, they watch them. As doctor they kiss their toto, no. Then as you go to the door, then you say you want try for your wife home. You try. If maybe your wife say no, I don't like it. Maybe you not go do another one for outside. He used by mistake give you. Then from there, you just use that opportunity. Say na leak you want call the leak. That is a nonsense man. That is an idiot man. You understand? Now they force our women. Some men, you say some men, some women, they don't need them. You say no, I cannot kiss you anymore if you do this. But they raise your leg. Before you know the leg on there, you just carry and go down. Go. It was like I just go with the lick Oduma Toto. He lick.
If I know so, and all those girls to me see they fine boy. Now all those ones will see they good for them. If at all those girls self their own self, if I may yourself see the advice of those girls, if you suppose understand.
You know what they do now? We go bring their picture, even we'll bring their picture come out. Maybe they disgrace them. You don't see what they do now. I go disgrace the men, I go disgrace the girls. Because any girl will go, will not take care of his mother, take care of his father, the children. They Nigeria. They forget about them. All what they do now just to care for the boys. Ogugo kill them.
Amen.
Ogugo kill them.
Amen.
Yes.
Otherwise, they fine boy, men no one settle down. No, they go for Johnny and Madeleine brother. No go see kid there, pal. Ogun
was still kidding. Those boys, where they friend almost 5 girls here. 4 guests, 3 guests. Ogun go still kill them. Thank
so,
you.
I know those girls, me and she get boyfriend for us. She go the chop Emeka and Stanley for outside. They go see kill them.
Not true you talk. Thank you. Me will not swear go this night. Hello. Hello. Hello, Gumagma. Okay. Gumagma say hello. My brother, when is here? When where? Oh, see where one when I don't tell you I'm young. I'll be where you never. What I'm man. Oh, we are still at Jawa. Okay, I'm young. Then you go to where you have to ready or we are the big way. Mama Baloni. Where do we go on Facebook? Who are at Jawa? Okay, Facebook when our mommy mind out. Let me get Moja, call it. I call him no more say me gwalo. I call him my brother. Okay, I'm young. Who say? Hey, Chabelioni. Okay, I'm young. Okay, me ahe. Ma elusido to be me. O to boy gwane we. Epa ije gele ke me deja. Epa ti je me wa we. Epa no pa. De no ye oge wa. Do we cabbage no ta we cabbage ne. Hello.
Hello, pa.
Eh.
Hello, pa.
Eh. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Zebo.
Okay, because all these Paris guests who did this Paris, so now they spoil this France.
Okay.
That boy they call Gazi, the girl where they friend, one of them, and y'all know that one where. The way they beat her. If they go that KC club where they Paris, if you use the girl carry a go club finish, pay, buy casket.
Hello. If you dey talk and mention the girl name, me who they know. Omo.
Yeah, ni we Facebook ibania. Enene no bia, elte obie benene Facebook. But ibaba na nia no ya so ni ya fie we yene.
Okay. Picture agreement or if you go there ma fi go there egbedi no me. More betting, more drum, more wire, more whether they suck it yash. More. Gizzy, don't kill your generation, you don't know. La wagagwale rabije uwa, wagagwale rabije uwa. Wa no ni rabije uwa ni ma che rabije. Na bia pichi je bia pichi na ladia eri ma han ya we oguya ya mo ladia re da awe owe go bia gizi awe habitually am your Facebook wa am auto change awe gizi I know don't do anything for you. You don't disgrace me. That's what we're going to do now. So I beg, if you want to give any information, make sure you know the mother. Okay. Good. Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Gizzy, wait, don't die. Rest in peace, Gizzy. I mean, I bring their picture. Amo, rest in peace, Amo. I go write rest in peace for that picture now, see. Wow, zoom down. Yeah. I mean it all. Where's my sister? Allow. Okay, no, we like. Well, that's it. That's it. La send a picture when send a picture yari. Mo la dali la we seje. Sabo adeba we. Yo. Send that when we la dia kwa bia. Eh ya, any girls where they do yawa they do prostitution. Send their picture for social media. Human trafficking man. Stop. Now because of now they get money. I don't drive now. Say men I not pay madam. Wait till I come to now put men for head. Now put them at jebo we be human trafficking. We be central. At jebo no get level. The level where you get say make a the sook for all those old women. The woman where at jebo carry for Spain, old woman. For year, old woman. That kind of life, that is not life. The only life where Ajebo get now just to stand up say, you don't want to do live video again. Because Shetro don't tire her. Shetro don't frustrate. So true, Ajebo don't frustrate. So now for this trafficking, it don't still die. So Ajebo don't get level again for abroad. Ajebo go and work. I entered Germany the years 1997. I was in Hungary. From Hungary, I spent just 1 week to Austria. From Austria, I was in Vienna. From Vienna, I spent only 1 night. The Jumbo carry me, Asian boy. Now the wife will go bring me. Asian man take me to my brother, Bucandimore. From Bucandimore, my brother take me to Graz. Then I take Aduro. Then about 2 weeks ago, then I saw my boys, Netete and Okomahia. Listen, maybe you hear story. Okomahia and Netete, they are in Graz now. Maybe Netete don't come out. Let me give Okomahia that name. Okomahia, you do gua. When they come meet me, I said, these are my children. You are from Spain. They say yes, okay. You now Okomahia, how you do gua? You now Netete. Then the other one, where did they go? I give all of the name. Then we can't go together because now maybe they are baba. But no corner where we not go to search for money. Even though they just say, Epa, uwe ye asomiwa. Because I go job, I go work. This Egburu. I must make her. If I come 200, sometimes 120. Then they can't. They will say, if I 50 euro, no worry. Sometimes I'll still share money. They may still. That's why they do it. Because I know say God go. Under 6 months, I do marriage. I enter Germany. In Salzburg. From Germany, they 3 years they give me stay. Don't take. From there, no blah 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 blah. They give me passport. Then I see say my woman. I say okay. I come home. Now I go house. When I don't go house, I go bring my family, my baby and my baby and my wife, my lovely wife. So within this time we divorce. Me with Oyibo. Within the time, bam, me and my wife will start our life. So you don't. Then I will go night job, go money job, night job. Soko did that. Sorry to say, Obiakpo did that. Let me say Obiakpo did that. So many people, Pius did that. Many people did Munich. Will they work in the night? In the night job. I will do this one. Early in the morning, I don't see come out. Okay, do I bring me so we are doing now? It is my way. It came a more from my Luna. I know now for Munich. Then Soko brother, where God go bless. He can introduce me to one man. That man. Oh, see money nyafu. See money nyafu. Soko brother, God will bless you. Our people, they do that work, but they don't let me know. But when Soko brother say, Pa, we not too much be. Come they follow us, go one place. You get where would they go? When I enter there, see money. See money de Munich, nyafu. I work for them because before I go do my marriage. When I still come back, I come enter here. From here, I did do one company. Where they for this Obahazi. You dey table like this, you dey arrange something. They will dey pack and trailer will dey come on. They will dey pack and trailer will dey come on. those toys. Do this, man. I do. I say my wife take get passport. Now I say I know they work again. I don't try because where they say where the point where I get because they must ask everything. Where the point where you get when they look and they say they still say now yeah I did. All those boys where they here they know they work. Now woman money they believe. But when they come say now Munich from come, they know say well don't kill this one. So now me they know they call me this rat where just didn't enter abroad. Bran. You come from Spain, you know work. You there here, you know work. One day you just come and say, Pa, tell the side they work. You want pray trick. Since then you don't work again. You know work. Who they work, you get out to go Nigeria. Who they work, you say just leave work. You wait new start work. You just say you go Nigeria, I want to go do something. You know what will be job. Within that 6 months, if you travel from your job, they go sack you. Go dig on support. You never enter work, you never reach 2 months. You say you want to go do your foundation. You will say the job. You are a liar, Meko. Hello? Hello,
social media
president. Where's he?
Ipa again ani atare no riru wana. Again ila won kakabo.
Gumagwania.
Oti yiva ona friend e bo pa ni ati e take away. So understand but me di odi moto na take away on ogumeta wo but for me man again don't live me like really on you. Because there's a very quiet girl. You understand? So I know my don't live it left you on in your Catalilo, you're an appa. If you're me, I give up and now, if I'm going to get a cacabo, what I've done. So when me, what I was done.
Okay. If you are working, you cannot leave your job within 3 months. Lie. They will give you codigo. Lie. You never start job for 1 month. You say you want to go foundation. No, you don't know say liar did there. You know they work. It just depends on that woman. 24 hours. Hello. 24 hours just the chop for his house. Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, so I just watched your live video since yesterday. I really liked what you did do. But get a piece of advice, so I want to keep you in.
Give me now.
You see all those boys picture where they post so,
All those guys.
Make them go send you wrong boy picture because I see one of my friend picture just start for there. Maybe say make them come bust you for house because all those people when they say that for you, if they call your house, they're not dead here.
Shut up. Back over. And now where is you? You be fool. You be real fool. May I call you? May I answer your useless thing? See, may I call you? When I insult all of you, I say all cultists not be idiots. You know, come my house. You dey say, come, you dey crazy. Come. Hello? Ali? I say you be fool. You be fool. Hey, what am I say? You be fool. Hello? What? Go see. Okay, I send a go. My God, boss, also. See my house, I dey go home. I dey fear. My bag of hassle. Idiot. It is a as you dey talk for Nigeria, where Nigeria people dey mumu. You don't know the kind of person. You know the kind of person where I be. Me we don't do this thing, do everything. You don't know what under my hand I tell I'll catch you like this. Go give it to police. I will just do like this. Before you know, you just a piece for your body. But before you know, I don't carry you. I'll call police. Say, man, I can't carry a disease here. They'll go put you for sale. Me way do something. Me way they pass something for many years. They come. 2015 during this time. This I be small picking. We are many women for this country. They invite me. They don't fit catch me much more. Your disease will not they say not be. You know, shut up there. Hello. You will see. Who say? What they give no sunu? What they give no sunu? No, what they give me so. And then what we are going to tell one way of men of Bashaso, and men of boy, one of my chick with your careful. Who are going none of what wow. You don't know what to be Germany. Germany, they get helicopter. No corner where you go hide. Now you go use your mouth to confess. Say, hey, oh, I just can't kill myself. You dey crazy. Monkey banana. Hello. Hello. Good evening. Talk loud, my sister.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, I called because one caller just now they mentioned DJ Kevin took you name for them. That boy no one not way back. If they mention people, maybe they call people where they want, but not be say the people who don't send people to church. That boy no one not two. Since when they do that video, I never call. But as they mention that boy now just now, you not no one not two.
I don't understand you. Say what thing?
Because the woman said tomorrow he go send you the boy picture.
You know the boy. You know the boy.
Yes, I know.
And your boyfriend. Talk.
Fair date.
Now fair date before. Now you still dey fight for that. Now fair date before.
Because
As it not date before. Wait to come. Wait. Now you cut. Wait. Now wait. As not date before. Now you leave the boy. Now the boy leave you. Now why you leave? I not good.
Don't be saying no good.
Oh no! Before you leave person, you must get reason. You dey flex.
No, if I not there, the boy not be flat. At least not.
And why you leave am? You know for cube where? Talk now. You know for cube where? You know get big penis. Why you leave am? We want know. The world want to know. Because if man not good for bed, or na flatter, or na bitty they beat you. So you not suppose. If you dey good as you dey talk now, you call say this man dey good. Wait till make you come leave am.
You know the as you not there, the boy not there. I feel the for her. So I know when me they date her, it not be like that. As the woman they talk in her shit.
It not be like that. Why you come leave am? Now we dey talk.
If I'm not going to, I will talk for public.
Okay, may I remove the phone. May I remove the phone? Not be for your speaker. This thing. I don't remove am for speaker. Wait till make you leave am. Now be private and don't talk like that again. Because wait till you leave, wait till make you leave and the boy not good. It's not enough for you. That is the reason. Bye-bye. When the car, they come, they say, I don't you don't pay data. You data why? You data you run. Because you don't get pennies, I'll be waiting. You say, I not pay talk down for public. That boy na central, every central make go kill him. Bring the picture tomorrow. If your picture, you know what, me I delete, me I take carry her, me I put for live video. You wait the test they go. Not the fight for anybody again. Mind your business. Hello. Go build house for Bini.
Good evening. If I may not mind that girl, she knows I be talk. If they say the boy not be central, why she call leave the girl? She just they talk like who no guess and she don't see wise. It don't see forfeit like they thought say the boy not be central. But two of them know they. If guys they good, why two of them not see the relationship? They say no be say the boy do like this and no be say the boy no good. Why can't leave her? See the way she they talk. They not guesses for all those Paris girls. They know your guesses at all when they forfeit for boys.
You see her?
They don't get from. If I may you talk to them where the way Paris girls say they do, it don't make sense. It don't make sense. All those they properly they gas this, all those people say, I need to treat their fuck up. I they watch you since. If I may do something, man, God will bless you for the work when they do for those our guests.
Thank you.
I be that girl, but the thing they pay me because when they work with your body, when they spread and give away, it don't make sense. If the money they can't give their mother for us, say they eat, say they buy something, go they okay. They go enter cold, they go enter sun, they go carry the money they give away. When we get leg and hand, no feel work.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. You don't marry?
I never marry.
But you don't born?
No, I never born.
Okay, now you be this one.
Yeah, na me.
You still, how old are you?
I will complete 26 years, July.
Okay, you reach me, you marry, eh? Look for your choice.
Yeah.
You don't get boyfriend?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend, sir.
Okay, so you don't learn now, say, now man, I dey take off woman, Abi?
I don't learn now, say that woman I dey take off man for you.
Now man they take off woman, no be woman they take off man. You don't know?
Yeah, now man they take off woman fine, but for this Europe of it, so not that our woman they take off man.
We don't want her like that again. That is the central man.
No, yes, that is the central man. It don't make sense like that, eh? It don't make sense.
Okay. So
When
me
they work, the woman go there for us, they take off the children. Not be say woman can't work, he go come see you go see they speak Benin say be man. If the girl not be man for her, he go come see beat her.
no the man, you don't friend Benin boy before.
Now what did they talk? I never friend Benin boy.
As you talk and say be man, that one clear for your mind though. Clear for your mouth. Be man.
I understand Benin. I understand Benin.
So not go fall for the hand. If they say be man, you tell us no, if they say be man, you go be man. You go be man. But if you can't tell you say mama they sick for Nigeria, now so she not get money, now so you not get money, now so the brother they carry and go, they want to go do operation. Oh God, if I get money now, if they use eyes, they look waiting you go talk. Okay, how much? If you say how much, you don't cash to be that one.
I when they cry go zero. Who want wise go wise. If you see advise those girls, who go here, go here. Who not see here, you go see 4BT for them. That's
We know how they do it. Like this one, as we dey talk, our Baba will come here just now. Before you know, they'll come swear put. Then they'll still come run.
They do like that. They don't do like that.
They'll come run, say, the moment you don't see create another history, they don't go swear for human central must stop. So we don't get any level there. Now then we have to be working. Because if they don't swear for this something, all those Ajebo and Ajepako, Ajemuomo, Ajeswe, they not go stop for human trafficking. They go still do like that. No, those one go stop. Those one go arrest them. When I contribute money, I go arrest them. When I my account, they don't do that. When I contribute, I go arrest them. Those one, my lawyer.
Yeah. We'll contribute anytime I reach. We still they pray for this sickness to go. We will contribute. Maybe do something about them.
Okay, I must arrest them. You go see her. I go arrest them. Even Ajebo said, I go arrest Ajebo. Now we see her for this country. I go arrest her. Even though the army do not dey here, if the army don't dey here, that means it don't enter problem. If the army do not dey, is allowed to spend 3 months. Then the year where Ajebo don't spend is more than 3 months. So police go arrest them because now Spanish paper. Now they with them those Spanish card where they cut. You know, girl, that German never still give them visa. Why? Because the son where say born, now the other man name will die. Now that one they use make that son take get a passport. Otherwise, allow if they want to change that, it go hard for them. It go hard. You understand? Me will go report them. Say now Ajebo buy now he pound this one. I go do everything tomorrow. I go call the police. Yes. Thank you, my brother, sister. God will bless you now. For me, I know the tire. I feel talk. Now I know the other day now where I talked in daybreak. I know the tire because why I go tire? Why I go tire? When I want make our women, make them learn something. Make them believe, say yes, our boys, they be central. They don't get work. They will say they get work. The modern central for inside, they go get work. They will say they hit that girl. Blessing,
I say the devil get work. All this they don't get work at all. Now you'll see that they will go club, they will go they carry casket with get money, go they spray money for birthday. They spray like say that they work.
Make gasket kid them. Make gasket kid them. They will soon enter that gasket now. Thank you, my sister. You don't still do. Me or that person still enter. Call for WhatsApp. Anybody that is calling, call for WhatsApp. May I see your picture? If you not be woman, no they carry again. If you be man, go. Woman, I go carry woman because I don't hate many men now. Hello, good day. Call for WhatsApp. Hello, say something. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. Inyoje, wato. Wato.
That useless the boy now gonna go punish him.
Not true you talk.
Talk to you anyhow. Now himself now he talk to.
Not true you talk.
Because you don't go school.
Thank you. Thank you, God.
Amen. I watched the video, the way they talk about you know good. You need to use a potential as example.
Example. Thank you.
Useless man.
Thank you.
Rubbish come out for inside useless man. Maybe people call the comment say they pay you now. If you know they pay you, know come out by this kind of time they talk. Because you know feel stupid, they want cry here, they ready for them. Useless man, not the best word for America.
The part is that because we want bring their nyas come out. How man will just come abroad? You just depends on woman. You never buy pants for woman. You never buy common brazier for woman. Everything when I want to do, shoe, woman, capo, woman, bassage, woman. Now they, good they kill now.
Good will kill Jebo. He got the talk, he say, he get Spanish passport. He will use and deal with you.
Make it. Na card, he get card. You know some people Spanish, na card.
Okay.
Idiot, card.
Okay.
All those cards where they cut.
What it don't happen since last year? Now I can't they talk everything. We don't already know what those one don't pass. Not be down with it now. Useless man.
Central Mosque, stop. Everybody say Central Mosque, stop.
Stop.
God bless you. Yeah. Hello. 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 Social media president. Hello, social media president.
Sir, am I on live now?
You can say something if you want to talk. Because
sir, I want to really know the basic of this argument right now, sir. Because I don't really understand what's going on right now. Like, I want to understand something from another perspective.
okay, thank you. If you want to understand, there is no bit of contention. The only problem is we are trying to tell our brothers that they should learn how to walk and take off our women. It's not really good because olden days, our father used to take off our women. Why is it now this new life that the men are trying to change it, that the woman must take care of our men? It's not a good thing. If you are seeing your sister and spending for a boy and this boy is not going to marry your sister, will you be happy?
No, I won't be happy.
That is what our brothers are doing in Europe present time now. Like,
Thank you very much.
yeah, we are trying to stop it. That is not a good thing. We are trying to stop it. That is the reason why many of them are coming out just to accuse themselves because they feel that yes, without no woman giving them money, they cannot survive. And we will force those women not to give them money anymore. We must make sure we win this battle in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much. Sir, I'm calling from the United States. Sir, the major thing right now is, sir, what are you doing? Is it in the ambit of the law? These men you're talking about, did they force them? Was they
Shut up, your man, Gwagwa. Did they force them? Is it the habit of the law? You want to quote law to me? You know what you will do? Carry your mother to one of the prostitution house. Tell your mother to be working, and I will give your mother one boy. Let your mother spend for that boy and die. So shall it be in Jesus' name. Amen. Idiot. Bloody food. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Pa.
Hello? Yeah, cut on because you the craze. Now you go put woman picture. You want to talk. And they hear you they talk, you the craze, so won't kill you. Hello? Don't carry woman, put there. Hello? I said I don't want any useless man anymore. Delete it. Woman, call my this thing because they don't dark. Woman, yes, good. Woman. Men I go sleep, men. Central men I go sleep. Tomorrow they come from now. Every day Central must stop. Now don't say hello? Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
Sorry, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You want pictures now you said for give you now. They say the guy named na Kevin Cute. The guy now baby mama, this guy the friend. Baby mama, oh baby mama, not be even one. You know they date first men no be baby mama and the mama dey Torino. The mama still dey support her. The mama like her and go abroad. The mama dey support her till the friend different baby mama they go. They work, they do anything. Now baby mama they
Talk on. Hello? Oh, the net. So all those baby mama. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, pardon.
Koyo.
If I greet you, my social media president, God will bless you.
Thank you.
I hear your program. Mama, you be a
Yeah. Okay. I know this voice. Yeah. God will bless you. Now, America believes Osas.
No, Jenny now.
Okay, I just say now Osas because now Osas they talk like this.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Amen. Like all this one where they come from them now they walk. They don't believe in anything. They must walk. And now only Ajebono they work for this country. He never worked for Germany before. He still there Germany, Spain, work. That woman, he destroyed that woman, run. This one will stay married now. He goes, he say, this one too old, he go run. Now so he go they do one up and down. But if he run for this one, Ajebono, the life don't finish. Now he go pack and load, go kill himself for Nigeria. Because that in foundation, I go scatter am. Now no. That in foundation, I know why Ajebono go do foundation. He want use and take collect money. It is say Jonosage still dey hit money. So me I still go open my own. Me I take and get money. That is the reason why me share I not contribute. Cause now in family, sister born, I go put am for orphanage. My cousin born, I go put am for orphanage. So if they cry, they say, hey, you don't see them, they are doing better. That na lie. Share. Now all those mama where don't frustrate with the mama with the fuck small girls. You understand? Small boys. Now go feel say, I want to go to NATO because they don't frustrate. Yeah. The time where they come, they use their life to pray all those central level. Yeah. Their life now don't frustrate. So brothers and sisters, new generation don't come. I go help them. Men are not frustrate. If you frustrate tomorrow, now that man will come to laugh you. You say, hey buddy, who you spend your money for? Don't get out. When they tell you say, you say, now you just eat your money. Now you go come to see cause you say, hey, get out here. Wait, how much you spend for me? How much me I calculator me I give you? And the fit calculator. Yeah? That amount go reach you to build 4 flats. Even 2 flats. But he will come they cost you journal. Say, get out, I know if he marry you. Even your man don't let me marry you. Your brother don't disturb it. He don't make you own. So, sister, any man will stand up say, darling, I want to take you out from this nonsense. This is not good. I want to see your daddy. I want to see your father. Please let me go see them. I need to settle with you so that we can make life, make children together. That is your man sent from God. He knows that what you are doing is not good. He knows that, yes, you cannot use his own personal thing. Other person will not come up and sleep on top. It's a bad thing. The only thing good man have to do is to pray and say, "Evening meu, or my baby what they do? No man go enter there. They won't die. That's a good man. No be say you go say Arupo, go follow Wati, see no day. Did you know the key person now Wati you go for poor Ajebo, poor your wife. If you go to shock. That your sister they come tomorrow, it go expose you. Now we say, I get the video, yeah. I don't want to play. I want me she can't use her mouth. You say one of his daughter, one of his child say no sabi talk. Your own sabi talk. Your own way they be another name. Your own way they be another name. Now kill none of the key. You kill your mama. You kill ma way give your wife paper. May you not see go kill that girl. Don't go kill her. If you kill her, God will punish you. Because you know say old pass you 100%. You want die now. She ain't to kill you. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I mean, they ask how you dey. You don't get respect for your senior. How you dey? You wait the lead to you say, how you dey now? The man to the lead to now you want to call me say, how you dey now? You say, good morning, sir. Social media president. You get respect for your senior. So, thank you, everybody. Women, the great women of the world, we go frustrate all these central people. I ready. Tomorrow is another day. Bam, 4 o'clock. I don't see come out. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Lovely day.